Hi, my name is Jess. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do hit that subscribe button below and don't forget to ring that notification bell. That way you can be notified of any of my future uploads. And today we are opening BoxyCharm for November 2018. If you want to see what's inside, then stick around. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a while since I made a video, and this is going to be a quickie. I haven't opened this yet, but let's see what's in here. I have not seen any sneak peeks, nothing. I've just been too busy, so I have no idea what's in here. But let you guys get a peekaroo first. Here's the, and oh, looks nice. Oh, Luxy. Okay, so the first thing actually I'm going to pull out of here is the Cover FX glitter drops in the color Nova. Show you what that looks like. The shade. Hopefully I don't have that shade. No, I do. I don't think. Let me see. No. This is Mirage. A little bit lighter gold. That's what it looks like. Now, I'm not going to open this or anything because I'm not going to use this. I already have 3 that I barely use. But these retail for $44. It says, these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high-impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under, or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. That's cool. So, yeah, $44. That is awesome. So this is like double the price of the box. So that is cool. I'm actually going to put that into the box. My box of things I don't want. Next is the Ace Beauty palette. Let's see. I'm not going to swatch this either. Oh, this is really pretty, guys. Let me actually keep this. Actually, I am going to keep this one. So I might swatch some colors for you today. This retails for $24.99, featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Our new Grandoise, sorry, I'm really bad at pronouncing things, palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and processed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. So for $24.99, let's see what we get here. Do the top 4 shades. Okay. Not too bad. Now, let's see. Do the bottom 4. And these reds, these maroons are what I'm looking for. Okay, and the bottom 4. Wow, seems to be some fallout, but these are the shades. This one here is kind of hard to see, but these are the mattes. No? Actually, they're all kind of mixed in here. That's a shimmer. That's a shimmer. That's a shimmer. And the light one right here is a shimmer. So this is pretty decent. Let me get a wipey here. These off my fingers. Yeah, that's a nice palette. I can't wait to to use that, actually. I think it would look really good with the shirt I have on. So, maybe I might just play with it a little bit, if we have time at the end of this video. Okay, so yeah, that's that for $24.99. And again, that's Ace Beauty. If we get through this fast enough, I'll do a look for you. The next thing up, in which I was excited about, was the Luxie brushes. It says Luminous Eye Set. This retails for $21. It says add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition BoxyCharm collaboration. This Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for BoxyCharm. The Luxie 141 mini round brush is perfect for smudging or smoke out your lower lash line, while the Luxie 121 mini tapered lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The Luxie 111 mini flat angle brush set lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid, and the Luxie 131 mini angled can add pop a color to the brow bone or precisely place color into your crease. So let's open these up and check them out. I love brushes. Love them, love them, love them. And Luxie usually has some very nice brushes. The only thing that like kind of irritates me is how a lot of brushes come with those angle brushes, the little eyeliner brushes. And that's what I was assuming this was at first. And of course mine's imperfect. There's a hair here. If that's short enough. Excuse that noise, it's my dog. She doesn't know how to. Lord, there we go. Okay, so that's what these look like. And I will be trying these out when I do the look with the Ace Beauty palette. And let's move on, so we have time. Next thing up, this is $5. I have no idea how to pronounce this. Jaune Bleu. It is a glittering star eyeliner. You can't open it, but it says sparkle up your glam with Jaune Bleu glittering star eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter liner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely admire. So that's that, and it's all coated in plastic. That is going in my box. And the last thing, a Lashaholic lashes, and that is me, totally me, Lashaholic. I love lashes. These are Instagram false lashes. Elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These are 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers. Gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. These retail for $14.99. Let's check them out. Very subtle. Very, very pretty, but very subtle. Of course, I will be keeping these because I love lashes. So, yeah, that's a good deal. Like over $100 worth, and you only pay $21 for the box, which is an awesome deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a quick eye look using these brushes, and I'm going to use, once again, let me take this paper out, this palette, and when I come back, I'll be all done. I just think this looks so pretty with this shirt. I'm gonna hurry up and do one. Alright guys, I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is what I came up with. Just a quickie. With this palette. It is decent actually, and I did use these brushes, and a quick little hint tip. These are only good for, I guess, just like it really says. This one is awesome. It's the one that's kind of like flat topped but angled at the same time. I don't know if you can tell. It's like flat topped but kind of like at an angle. It's nice for up here. It's perfect for in here. And then this little guy is, I don't know. I guess you could use it for your crease. It's not good for all over, but like for just in your crease. And this little guy is good for detailing. Like really, like detailing out here. And this little guy is perfect for under, like doing your under eye. So I guess the only thing I have left to do is match up with a lipstick. I don't have any foundation or anything on. I'm just, you know, playing with it. This is the Kat Von D in the shade Mother. I got this in BoxyCharm last month, I believe. It's okay, but I like to just add a little more with the Anastasia the lip topper. This is in the shade Venus. I'll let this dry a little bit. I don't have anything, like any makeup whatsoever on besides that. Look kind of weird actually. This smells like cake. Almost done here. Perfect. Oh my god, this smells like cake, like so bad. I want to eat it. It really, really, really smells like cake. So, this is the look that I came up with. Excuse my... I have no makeup on, like whatsoever. I like literally put some concealer here. I didn't do my eyebrows, anything, but... yeah, this is the look that I come up with. I hate the lighting in here. Kind of did like a halo eye. But, as far as the palette goes, like, bravo. Because usually I don't keep these palettes. But this one, I do believe I'm going to keep. Because it's actually decent for once. Besides the time we got the Colourpop, like almost every other palette, like I didn't like. I mean, I just started getting mine this year, but they're just nice little. Of course, they stain easy, but yeah, they're pretty nice actually. I like them. I think I could have went with a better color underneath instead of using the orangey color, but anyway guys, that's all I got for today. But videos are going to be coming more frequently. I know it took a little break there for a while, but I'm coming back this Friday. Keep an eye out. I will be there'll be a collab, the surprise collab, with a few other people, so definitely keep an eye out for that. And until then, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.